Hello, how you all doing out there this morning? Hi. Just checking in. I know that it is snowing here, and I am sure a lot of places out there it is doing the same thing. So I'm just checking to see how you're all doing and how things are going. And if you'd like to leave a comment or just check in with me or chat or whatever, the phone line is open. Okay? Be well, be safe. Okay? When you're shoveling and cleaning up out there, just be safe and the space is open here. Okay? So thank you. And okay? Talk to you. Thank you. Bye.